Let's plan the best 2026 imaginable. A custom vision board? I saw Nabella create this. My mother-in-law made this one for me because I'm not really a crafty queen. The biggest craft I get up to is putting my charm bracelets together. So this is 2 pieces of just canvas with linen fabric staple gunned around, and my mother-in-law, because she is angelic, even put a little hangy bit back here. So if I wanted to hang it on the wall, which we'll see what we end up putting, where we end up putting this, but I know I want it obviously within my eyesight during the day, I have that option. So I can only imagine how Nabella would approach this, and I'm sure it would be aesthetically beautiful, but we're going to keep this very 100 here. We are in one of my favorite winter PJ sets of the season. Hair is back. I think we need to light the candle, right? And then I'll show you what's going on here and how you can make one too. Bought these little map pins. I like them because they're gold, and I printed some photos out from Walgreens. Now my plan is that this is not going to be the one-time we vision board, it's done, the year happens situation. I look at this as a living, breathing document, and as my desires change throughout the year, I'm going to add to it. Nosy, I know you want to know what's on my photos. I think it's important to have photos of yourself on your vision board, and maybe that's just the Aries in me speaking. However, if you can't see yourself becoming the woman, if you can't see yourself having the thing, how is your brain supposed to comprehend that? A summer filled with hydrangeas, owning my first Nantucket basket bag, the dream office we are renovating this year, my fireplace redesign, summer days on Nantucket, preferably invited back by brands. Bog and Flame, I'm looking at you. Exact. Staying at a new beautiful hotel. We are vision boarding and manifesting brands that we want to work with, inspirational quotes, branding for BariTale, and potentially adding some of my special mementos from my journal. This may not seem like a lot of work, but hours went into curating what I want my 2026 to look like. You can save yourself those hours by joining me in my Glow Up Goals workshop. The workshop itself is going to help you come up with a crystal clear vision of what you want your dream 2026 life to look like. It's going to write it all out for you. And then on top of that, come up with habits, routines, affirmations, a mantra, all within the span of us working together for an hour. And then after that, we'll help figure out, what does the aesthetic, I'm a visual girly, I need the aesthetic, what does that look like? So yes, while all of these photos represent the life that I want to live, if you're thinking, how do I build my vision board, whether physical or on Pinterest, on a collage, wherever it is that you want to do it, how do I get to know what I want this to look like? This $47 hour-long Glow Up Goals workshop with a workbook and a replay is where. Received this incredible, personal, and beautiful note from one of you, and this means the world to me. So as a reminder that a priority, no matter what the year brings, is to always feel connected to you. That's definitely going on here. I moved some things around. I added a few things from my journal, and this is currently the final product. You'll notice that there's a blank space here, and I want to put my word of the year in here, but I think I might have a custom sticker made for that, or maybe I'll make a graphic on Canva, but we'll see, right? That's kind of the fun of this, is that it gets to be designed as the year continues. So once I find a spot for this, you'll know. Thank you so much for vision boarding with me. If you are looking for clarity this year, if you are looking for how to expedite the clarity that would take you hours of thinking through prompts, meditating, journaling, working on this on your own, it's that good. Spend the $47 and come do that hour with me in a community of women who are like-minded, who get it, right? This is for the girlies who get it. So if you want the link to that, it is in my bio, but I will also happily message it to you with any other details that you'd like answered. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a magical start to 2026. I have to find a place to put this beauty.